Did you know that 42% of engineers are in their late 40s or older? So I was pleased to meet up with these students at West Suffolk College in Bury St Edmunds. It's a red letter day for the college, which is to get £7 million from the government's growth deal to build a new engineering and innovation technology centre. And it'll tailor courses for apprentices like Dan from Sudbury. His employer has had a say in what he's taught.
It's helped me to learn about what you need through the workplace, and it's helped me to sort of relate that coming into college and relating those modules to what I'm actually doing at work.
We work with companies locally, regionally, to identify the sort of profile they need, and then we locate and work with them to identify the students, apprentices and trainees and develop them with the skills that are required.
Companies like this one in Thetford, which has been crying out for years for suitable apprentices. And that underlines the aim of today's deal, to team up private and public bodies so they can map out, with money, future jobs and growth.
We're desperately short of skilled engineers in this country, and now people are actually listening and it's happening. In the past, lots of money was spent and it wasn't spent wisely, but now I can assure you as an employer, that's one of the things I'm shouting about there. Look, we want to make sure that it is being spent wisely.
Around £3 million will be spent, hopefully wisely, on a new aviation centre and training academy at Norwich Airport. It's hoped it'll create 80 apprenticeships and take on hundreds of students. Of course, it's not just about jobs. £62 million will be spread across the region. Lowestoft's enterprise zone will get £2.5 million to improve roads and infrastructure. More than £4 million will go to improve the A11 into Norwich. Ipswich's Waterfront Innovation Centre gets £1.75 million. Money too for Chelmsford to ease traffic congestion and alleviate flooding. And funding too to help new businesses to burgeon around Southend Airport. Business leaders in Essex say it's an example of the government devolving decision-making to a local level.
These are projects which are our priorities. Local people need to have a say and to really push for the things that will make a difference in their communities. And so the things that are being invested in here are the priorities of the people.
Let's not forget, of course, that it's tens of millions of pounds of taxpayers' money, your money, that's been used to pump prime the local economy, to start new projects and to help businesses like this one. But what's in it for the wider region?
It'll create more than £120 million of extra funding. Seacorn money will create 2,000 jobs from this and over 700 homes. And that's including the total number of jobs of 16,000 by 2021 that the total government funding so far will bring us.
The government hasn't signed off any of the cheques yet, so it'll be many months before any of these schemes get off the ground. But we should have a rough idea, perhaps within 5 to 6 years, whether it's been money well spent. Alex Dunlop, BBC Look East in Bury St Edmunds.